Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you the exact story how I earned my first 10k in the first year of my B.Tech at just 18-year-old. No family contacts, no money to invest, just time and burning desire to make it happen. Let's begin from the start. I was 17-year-old when I got into college, and like most students, I thought I would just study, attend classes and figure out money later. But then I saw people making money online and I asked myself, why not me? So I made a decision by the time I turned 18. I should start my financial journey. First, I entered the world of video editing. I didn't buy any course. I watched free YouTube videos and practiced on CapCut and DaVinci Resolve. After 1 month, I started reaching out to creators, YouTubers and startups by cold emails and Instagram DMs. I offered them to edit one reel for free. If they liked it, they could hire me. Out of 20 people, only 3 people replied. But that was enough. Only 3 clients paid me 1000 for editing. Another paid 2000. Soon, I got a small project with a startup called B.Tech Innovations. In total, I earned around 4000 through editing reels for others. That was my first skill. And now I am using that same editing experience to create content for myself. Parallelly, I explored content writing. I started writing Instagram captions, short blogs, and product descriptions. Again, no fancy setup, no platform like Fiverr. I just found small creators and brands and pitched via email. Some ignored me, some said no, but a few said yes. One client paid 500, another 1000. In total, I earned around 2000 through content writing. And then came trading. I was 17 when I got interested in the stock market. I didn't blindly enter. I spent 5 full months for learning price action, candlestick patterns, chart setups, support and resistance, everything. I watched countless videos, practiced on demo accounts and made sure I understood the risk. I turned 18 in January 2025. By 1st of February, I opened my Demat account and started intraday trading, not swing trading. After a few weeks of real trades, I made around 4000 profits. But I didn't spend that money. I started SAP of 500 per month for long-term mindset. Now let's talk about the hardest part. My CGPA in first semester was 6.32. I felt bad and really I want to stop all these things. But when I realized and I stay motivated and inspired, I restructured everything, focused harder and brought it back to 7.9 CGPA in my second semester. Now I am not just a freelancer. I have started building my personal brand, sharing finance, mindset, motivation and the things our education system never teaches. Because the truth is, most students in India don't even know how to save, budget, invest or understand taxes. That's why I started this mission, to educate, motivate and inspire students like me. This 10,000 rupees may sound small to some, but for me, it was the proof that something I can build it real. It wasn't about the money. It was about the confidence. Now I am investing, creating content, improving my skills and helping others to do the same. And that's why I am making this video. If this motivates you to start your journey, even if it's small, then I have done my job. If I can do this from scratch without a rich background, so can you? Don't wait. Start today. And if you felt this useful, drop a comment. My first 10k will come soon. Let's build together. Thank you.
Yeah.